viewers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? On today's video, we're gonna do another fall look. As you guys can see, I did one eye off camera. Just, I was just playing around in makeup and I'm like, let me see what I could do, because I was kind of like off and like I didn't know what to do, guys. Like I was so like, I kept making videos and I'm like, I didn't like it. I kept, because I was putting on makeup and I'm like, I didn't care for this look. Like I want to do something that, I will feel comfortable and I know that you guys gonna like, and I didn't want to bring no bullshit, you feel me? So I came up with this look and it's cute or whatever. I'm feeling the vibes. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, guys, so if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. So this is like what do you call that that look that Nikkie Tutorials did? It's called the power of makeup. That shit is crazy, right? How you could transform yourself with just makeup is like so unbelievable. But yeah, guys, I ordered me these lashes from Amazon and I'm hooked. Like I'm hooked. They look like these. They're so beautiful. Like I've been searching for some beautiful dramatic lashes and I came across these from Amazon and they were like inexpensive. I really like them. They're mink. What are they? They 3 styles mink lashes, and it came with a cute little tweezer. Where are you? Right here. Cute little tweezer. Yeah. So yeah, let's dive in. I am freaking hot. Sweating. Okay, so okay, guys, now we're gonna move on to glitter. One of my favorite glitters that I use is from Amazon. It comes in this, let me show you guys. I have showed you guys before, but I don't know if you guys remember. It comes in this big package like this. And it's so affordable and I love it. Oops. I love it a lot. So from that, I'm going to take this orangey color and this brown color. I'm going to mix these two together and create this beautiful vibe. So yeah, I'm going to make the glitter planner. Now that I got my lashes on, we're gonna move on to my under eyes. I'm gonna use what is this? ColourPop black liner, gel liner, and I'm gonna use that on my waterline. Okay, moving on to face, I'm gonna use the Dragon Beauty concealer for dark circles, as well as the Milani Nude as my primer. For foundation, we're gonna use this one, the Infallible Pro Matte, and this color Carmel Beige. For concealer, we're gonna use the Infallible Full Wear in the style Porcelain. We're gonna blend. To set our face, we're gonna use a Dragon Beauty setting powder. Color. For bronzer, we're going to use the Aaliyah Bronzing and Baby Girl. For blush, we're going to use the Tarte Expose. To set our whole face, we're going to use a deep matte Prep and Prime. We're going to set all over the face. Now we're gonna go in with the Becca highlighter, and this one is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Press Powder. we're gonna color our under eye color. We're gonna do the same thing we did up top. We're gonna do it at the bottom of our under eye. So we're gonna go in with that orangey color. We're gonna mix it in with that yellow. This is gonna smoke out the bottom. For lips, we're gonna use MAC Thin Matte Lipstick, as well as this Jordana Plum lip liner. Well guys, let's complete this look. I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below what kind of videos or what kind of fall videos would you like to see next. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel. Because we lit. Why is the camera not focusing on me? Oh, baby girl. Well guys, till next time, I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.